The most useful shortcuts in Excel Ctrl E. We have this piece of data containing name and job number and IBAN. They are very disorganized. And now they need to be taken apart altogether, which would not take enough time in a day if done manually, as we often encounter at work. There is no quick way to split them. Other such work can be done in just a second. We copy the name, job number, and IBAN from the first row into separate columns. At this point, select the name in the name column and scroll down. At this point, press Ctrl E. At this point, all the data, which can be intelligently populated, is the data we want. Of course, we can also easily merge the data. Copy the desired data to the appropriate columns and enter the connectors. And then pull down the mouse, press Ctrl E. You can fill the data in the format we want. Other data can be manipulated in the same way. Just provide a template data and drop down and press Ctrl E to complete the operation. At this point, we want to replace some data, such as 100 for ******. Then only need to change the first line. The rest of the content will be automatically replaced. If you want to add units in bulk, such as adding $, then you just need to add them on the first line and press Ctrl E to finish.